Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the X4 wireless sport headphones from Jaybird. This gives you 8 hours of playtime. It's sweat and waterproof and Sport Fit Plus. It also comes with the Jaybird app, so you can adjust that for your iPhone or your Android device. And here's some other features you can quickly look at there about the headphones. And now we're going to go inside the box. We like the packaging. Some bold lettering there, some other features and how it works. And then this part pops up here. All the ear gels and other pieces are in this little bag right here. Here are the headphones themselves. So this part goes in your ear, so if you're a runner, no problem there. They won't fall out. And make calls, and there's your microphone there. So that's that part, and we'll take this out. And inside they give you a little travel bag. That's nice. Most of these companies don't do that. And there's some extra pieces in here as well. Looks like the charging cable's in there. So you just fit that over for charging. That's nice. And then documentation. So it's only a couple of pieces, and if these ear gels that come with it don't fit, you can just pop them right off and adjust. And this part goes in your ear, so it has a nice snug fit for when you're running. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Thanks.